Hello everyone, and welcome to your channel Digitivity. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create this glowing neon text effect using GIMP. So watch the whole tutorial to understand it properly. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated about upcoming tutorials. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want to watch more tutorials about GIMP, the link is available in the I button and in the description box below. And if you want to follow along, you will find all useful stuff in the description box below. Now, without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. Once we are in GIMP, click on the file at the top menu bar, then click on New. A new window will pop up. I am choosing the default size for my composition. You can always change the sizes as per your requirements here. Once we launch our canvas, make sure the background color is black, or you can just drag and drop this black color from here to our canvas. Now, grab the text tool from the toolbox by clicking on this icon. I am using this font because I want medium slim text. You can change the font from here as per your requirement. And text size 150 is okay for me. Make sure to turn the text color to white from here. Now write down the text by clicking on the canvas. Let's increase the space between alphabets. To do that, press Ctrl+A on the keyboard and increase the space between alphabets by clicking here. Now go to Layer from the top menu and click on Crop to Content. Then click on the Alignment tool from the toolbox here and click on the text once. Align the text to the center by clicking on these two buttons. Again, go to Layer from the top menu and click on Layer to Image Size. Now, right-click on the text layer from the Layers panel here and click on Alpha to Selection. Now, add a layer by clicking on this icon below the Layers panel. Make sure the Fill with column is selected to Transparency and click OK. Now bring the new layer below the text layer by grabbing and pulling down like this. Then go to Select from the top menu and click on the Grow. The window will pop out. Keep the grow size at 5 pixels and click OK. Now grab the Bucket Fill tool from the toolbox and select a bright color. I'll go with this golden color, and the color code is given in the description if you want to use the same color. Just click on the selected area to fill in the color. Then go to Select and click on None. Now go to Filters, then Blur and Gaussian Blur. A window will pop out. Set the blur effect value to 5.5 to 6.5 and we are done. In addition, I would like to add some background effects to enhance our work. For that, I have downloaded a wooden texture from pexels.com and the link to the image is given in the description. Now let's add the image to our canvas, and to do that, just go to the folder where the image is located. And just drag and drop the file to the canvas. We need to rotate and scale the image as per our canvas. To do that, go to the toolbox and grab the Rotate tool and click on the image. Add 90 degree to angle column and click on Rotate. Now grab Scale tool from toolbox. Zoom out by holding Ctrl on the keyboard and scrolling the mouse wheel. Now click on the image and scale it by dragging the corners like this and click on Scale. Now click on this small icon to fit our image to canvas size. Now right-click on the image layer in Layers panel and click on Layer to Image Size. Bring down the layer below all layers by clicking on the layer and clicking on this down arrow icon. Now select the background layer, go to the Mode option, select Darken Only Mode, and bring down the opacity a little bit like this. Next, we are going to spread the glow of our text to the background. For that, add a new transparent layer above the background layer. Now, go to the toolbox and click on the rectangle selecting tool. Now, select the area around our text like this. And grab the bucket fill tool from the toolbox. Make sure the golden color is selected and fill the selection with it. Now, go to Select from the top menu and click on None. Now, go to Filters, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Set the blur value near about 100 to 120. Then go to Mode, select the Linear Light mode and bring down the opacity to almost 10 to 12%. Now, go to the top layer, right-click on it and select New from Visible. Then go to Filters from the top menu, then Light and Shadow and click on Vignette. Now, set the vignette effect as per requirement by moving these three guides like this. Click on OK and we are done. This was it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful in any way whatsoever, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications to my channel. And if you have any questions about this video, please let me know in the comments section below. See you in the next tutorial. Take care.